Hello guys, you are welcome to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mine 2.5 BNB from this website I'm going to be showing you in this video. So watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping here. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free BNB or task done. Once you do this, I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. The last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you to the page. Once you're on the page, you click on get started. You input your BNB wallet address, then you input 4-digit PIN or above. Then your account will be created. Immediately your account is created, you're going to be given a free miner that is going to be mining free BNB for you. This miner is going to be giving you 0.02 BNB every single day. So this miner, you'll be using it for free without paying any money. But in case you want to upgrade your plan for you to earn more on this site, then you have to purchase a miner. To do that, scroll down a bit, then you'll see the plans they have here. The first one here is miner 1. This miner is going to cost you 0.05 BNB and you'll be getting 0.003 BNB every single day. Then you'll make a total of 0.1 BNB in 3 days. Then this miner 2 goes for 0.1 BNB. You'll be making 0.0666 BNB per day, which is going to be mining for 3 days, and you'll be making a total of 0.2 BNB. You can see the miner 3, miner 4, miner 5. So whichever one you want, you can go with it. The miner 6 goes for 1 BNB and you'll be getting 0.5 BNB every single day. It's going to mine for the next 4 days and you'll be making a total of 2 BNB. The miner 7 goes for 1.5 BNB. You'll be making 0.75 BNB every single day for the next 4 days and you'll be making a total of 3 BNB. So they have lots of miner here you can choose from and purchase. So before you purchase a miner, you need to update your account first. The first thing to do is to click here, then input your email address. Once you input your email address, then you input your password you are using for this site. Once you input the password, you click on save. Our account has been updated successfully. So now you go back to the dashboard, then scroll down to the miner you want to purchase, then you click on buy now. So it will take you to the purchase dashboard. This is going to give you the wallet address you're going to transfer the amount you want to purchase to. So you just click here to select. Once you click on it, you copy the wallet address, then you head on to your wallet and transfer the amount you want to purchase. Once you do that, you're going to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for blockchain to verify your payment. Once it is verified, your miner is going to be activated automatically. You can also track your payment right here. You track it here, but you can just leave it for the next 10 to 15 minutes to be confirmed. You go to the dashboard, then you click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, the minimum amount you're going to be withdrawing from this page is 0.1 BNB and the maximum is 50 BNB. So whenever you have 0.1 BNB in your account, you can come over here and withdraw it into your wallet. So this is how this website works. If you have any question, you can drop it down below. And remember, invest what you can afford to lose. Invest at your own risk, because I am not a financial advisor. This is all concerning this video. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.